Hi everyone, nice to
Good
see you all again.
Yeah, it's nice to see you all again. The topic today is about the gaming revolution, and
Gaming revolution.
yeah, we share to all of us about this article on the Cointelegraph record the revenues for the blockchain gaming company during the pandemic. Yeah, as people can see during the pandemic, the people stay at home. And of course, they will spend a lot of time for the gaming. And this firm is behind. There's ATF power game, the same power. A lot of people thinking, what is a NTF game? Is one of the blockchain gaming. They use a non-fungible token to play the game. In this article, they tell about the Crazy Defense Heroes. I also tried this Crazy Defense Hero is from Japanese company, and they they also based on the NTF gaming. Yeah, and the revenue of this company during the 4 months of 2020 is 7.34 million. Yeah, a lot of people playing the game during the pandemic. The first quarter of the record now is in this article say the revenues of the company earn a lot of crypto access, and they earn during the pandemic, and they get a lot of revenues on it based on the gaming. Yeah, and
So NTF means no transaction fee, right?
ATS mean non-fungible token.
Non-fungible token. Okay.
Yeah, non-fungible token.
Oh,
Here you
NFT. You're talking about NTF. I keep thinking, what is NTF?
NFT. Yeah.
Just in case
It's
some of
like
the viewers they are closing
NFT.
their eyes, they are listening, then they're thinking
Yeah.
NFT is
That
a
is
non-fungible
NFT
tokens,
token.
right?
Yeah, NFT non-fungible token. You all can see from the screen. I okay. Let me continue. Let me continue and complete the article. Yeah, it say that property rights revolution of the NFT. Yeah, and NFT will help on gaming on the introduction of the property rights to the feudal Europe. We all can store the NFT token as the asset, and in the future, people can use the NFT token for to own some other tangible thing in the future. Example, property or some the other art. Yeah, it's really nice thing. Yeah, and this in the last part it say that the gaming become a cornerstone of the entertainment seeking the ritual. Yeah, in the long term. Yeah. Okay. I have completed this review article about the gaming based on NFT token. News today, I will share to all of you about the data suggests the Bitcoin price will rise as investors did more fixed shift. Now we go to the detail of the news. Bitcoin BTC have been trading sideways for around a month now and been outperformed by several other altcoins like Ethereum and Chainlink. The cryptocurrency also hit the lowest level of volatility since November 2018. Moreover, Bitcoin trading volume is USDT and USD pairs had decreased by 56% and 44%, while global crypto trading volume in June and down 49.3% as well, according to the Crypto.com. Ok, xin chào Cửu Long. Good morning Cửu Long. While some point to this key factor at the start downtrend in the Bitcoin price, there are still a few bullish scenarios to look out for. A recent report by Stack Funds found that shift in investor demographics may soon bring the price of Bitcoin to new highs. Utilizing data from the Coindesk, the report found that 50% of Bitcoin's investors are millennials. Given that wealth transfer between the generations is happening at a faster rate, Stack Funds believes millennials' newfound financial freedom and may lead to the younger generation of investors to put a heavy buy pressure on Bitcoin. Xin chào Mr. Khang Nguyễn. Hello Mr. Khang Nguyễn, join our live stream. The report read it. As you all can see the Bitcoin ownership by the age group. From the price, we all can see the cryptocurrency owner 2019 and cryptocurrency owner 2020. And are the boomers buying Bitcoin? The report also points to low interest in the Bitcoins and digital assets among other generations, a phenomenon which can further cement Bitcoin position as an investment asset class. According to a survey, Canadian citizen ownership among baby boomers 56 to 76 years old have recently tripled. Similar research was found. A recent research paper by UK Financial Conduct Authority (FCA), which found that Bitcoin ownership by people above 35 years old increased significantly. The shift in investment power to new generation and the growing interest in Bitcoin for older investors. Your Bitcoin could be for sale on the dark web right now. Digital shadow worth about over 15 billion credentials are exposed on the dark web for sale, and some of them have been available for free. A recent study revealed that over 15 billion credentials are in the circulation via the dark web, representing a 300% increase since 2018. Available information ranges from the network access credential, banking login data, and even streaming service accounts from a Netflix, according to a research conducted by the cybersecurity firm Digital Shadow. Part of the leaked data even circulating for free. The report warned that the reason so many account credentials are available online is that persons are using non-complex passwords that can be easily brute force using a hacking tool. Access to corporate network as an open door for ransomware attack. Among the most valuable leaked credentials include access to corporate network. This data can track price for up to 120,000 and have an average cost of 3,139, depending on factors like the company revenues. The circulation of such data implies that ransomware gangs may use such access to infiltrate an entire network. This will allow them to deploy the malware of their choice and ultimately hold this network for ransom. Bank login details from individuals are being sold with an average price of $7.9, while access for antivirus program costs $21.67 on average. Enabling two or multi-factor authentication to secure login credentials. Speaking Brett Carroll, threat analyst at the malware lab Microsoft, warned an enormous number of user credentials are exposed on a daily basis. It's a myriad of ways, from phishing to malware attack to a data breach. The consequences of exposure may be minor, such as the case of a leaking Netflix login or extremely serious leak banking credentials, for example. Why there's no silver bullet to this problem? Carlos said that people can limit their likelihood of their account being compromised by using strong password. Never reuse password using an antivirus solution, keeping their operating system current with the patch, and most importantly, using two or multi-factor authentication on all services which support it. Research by cybersecurity firm Cyber Research Team revealed that on May 29, data from more than 80,000 credit cards were put up for sale on the dark web. The data from these cards appear to have been gathered from various countries around the world. We also know that a hacker gang known as Keepers established an interconnected network to steal credit cards from over 570 e-commerce sites since 2017. They have profited around 7 million in crypto by selling card information through the dark web. Binance CZ showcased first use of a Binance card. Binance first beta transaction of the Binance card are powered by recently acquired Swipe. Binance CEO has just demonstrated the first use of the Binance card, a cryptocurrency debit card that was first announced by Binance in April 2020. In July 10, this Binance CEO Xeonbit revealed that he's taking part in the Binance Card beta testing featuring transactions involving Binance native token BNB. In the twist, CZ noted that the beta test features all real transactions, including Amazon Audio Store Audible, Uber Alternative Graph, and the major e-commerce platform Lazada. CZ also said that BNB payments were completed direct from his Binance account, while the merchants accepted the payment in fiat Binance card. I think I can finally go from 99% to 100% crypto, Binance CEO added. Binance crypto debit card is now officially powered by Swipe. Alongside Grab and Amazon transactions, CZ Binance card transaction list also includes a transaction from Swipe, Philippines headquartered firm crypto in fiat debit card powered that was officially acquired by Binance on July 6. Shortly after CZ tweets were posted, Swipe retweeted the post adding the short comment powered by Swipe. The latest news confirmed expectation that Binance Card will be implementing Swipe technology, announcing Binance Card plans in April. Binance apparently did not originally plan Swipe integration. After Binance acquired Swipe on July 6, Swipe COO John Kenneth told that the two companies will be working closely together to launch a crypto debit card throughout various regions in the world. Binance is pushing more adoption to its token, including BNB XD. Yesterday, John Bittorrent added Binance USD stablecoin BUSD as a payment option. As reported, BNB has been only supported on the platform for payment. There are over 13K Bitcoin addresses worth $1 million. Over 13,000 Bitcoin addresses hold over 1 million worth of Bitcoin. According to the last notes, 107 BTC to become a millionaire. A current price tag around 107 BTC foreign address become a dollar millionaire, since the metric tied to the dollar price of Bitcoin tend to fluctuate a lot. For a comparison, the number of addresses contain at least 100 BTC has a much lower volatility. Address rich in BTC. How many Bitcoin millionaires are there? So how many Bitcoin millionaires are there? There are reality that we do not know. In order for us to answer this question, we would have to know how many individuals are entitled to control those 13,290 addresses. This number could totally lie anywhere between 1 and 13,290, although it's possible to apply data analysis heuristics to Bitcoin address and a transaction to narrow down this number somewhat. So much complete dataset is currently available. Law decoded. Regulators are growing by getting there July 3rd to 10th. This week has been some major breakthrough in linguistics remind us of how regulation doesn't all happen as one. Every Friday, Law Decoded delivers analysis on a weekly critical story in the realm of the policy, regulation, and law. Editor notes policy change slowly. Crypto want to move fast. Ukrainian hacker got selling confidential information gathered from Ukrainian central government database. According to the media released from the Ukraine cyber police, a hacker whose identity was not disclosed was able to break into many government databases by compromising personal accounts of authorized staff in Japan. That's a partner between two of the company, and they it's a bit flyer. Let me share to all of you.
Browser that you shared with us before, right?
The partnership with the Blaze last time, Mr. Nicholas shared to us about the Blaze. The Blaze browser is one of the latest browser that no attachment and is adapt if you can use if you use a Blaze browser, you also can earn some of the token from Blaze developer. And in this article, say that Blaze have found a major partner with the Japan explore the Blaze have found a major partner in Japan to explore the growing Japanese market with. That's a big flyer. The biggest crypto exchange in Japan in the term of the trading volume.
They are from Japan.
Yeah. Right. No. Bitflyer is a crypto exchange in Japan, and they make a partnership with the Brave.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Because we also can see the Brave browser having partnership with Binance, and they integrate the Binance trading on their browser. And the Brave browser is one of the privacy protecting browser. According to the announcement, Bitflyer and Brave will develop a crypto access wallet for the Brave browser user. They will have the new crypto access. Some of the Brave browser users they can earn more and more crypto access. No further details about the new crypto wallets have been made available. Japanese users of Brave browser are rewarded with the basic token. It's a BAP, basic attention token points, due to the regulation that prevent them from after they make up together. Between the Bitflyer and Brave, they issue the new token is the PAP here. The PAP due to the regulation, it's prevent them to earn.
I
It's
thought, we have a general election coming up.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's so funny. Yeah,
Suddenly, wow, what are they doing with blockchain?
yeah,
For all of you
yeah,
who don't know, PAP
yeah,
is one of the political party in Singapore, and right now Singapore we are having this general election, and this Friday all of us have to go and vote. Yeah,
yeah,
so I got a surprise when I almost hear the word PAP here on blockchain.
yeah.
Yeah,
So funny. Yeah, and
yeah. Back to you. You carry on.
yeah. Oh, okay. With the plus
Wait, stop
because
there. Stop there.
plus
Yeah. You scroll up a little bit, one paragraph. It says something like, okay, stop here. At this point, we're using points to reward user, but what is it?
yeah.
It's a bit blur for me. I can't read.
But there
But
are
there are
some
some
limits.
limits, right? Through the partnership, we think it may be possible to go beyond that, right? So, using points to reward users, I think this is okay. I think generally it's a safe move for Brave. Uh,
Yeah,
I believe that any browser that is going along the line of using rewards, using points, and all this kind of structure that benefits user. I think that should be
yeah,
the way to go in a sense, because if they are going to use a lot of cash, and then people may just take the cash and run and not forget about Brave. But I believe that this Brave, as long as they keep their speed quick enough, as long as they keep their browser, like you mentioned earlier on, is supposed to be advertisement free, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So
This mean
as long as it is advertisement free, I believe that a lot more people will start using Brave, and I think this blockchain point reward system will become more popular.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have tried to use the place to receive the reward from place. Uh, they
How was it?
yeah they send some of the token to view advertisement on the browser. Yeah,
Mm.
with the Brave browser. Um, uh, uh, with the Brave browser, if you can use the the browser and you keep watching some advertisement, and then the browser will reward you some of the points. Japan last month Brave partner with the Korean pop idol group is called the BTS, as well as the
BTS.
Bangtan Boys. Yeah,
Oh,
BTS.
BTS.
It's uh, some of
It sounds
the K-pop.
Yeah. It sounds like in Thailand, Bangkok, they have the train BTS. That's the first thing that came to my mind. But I
Oh,
think if Korean pop idol groups, music bands, and all these are coming into this. Is this article trying to say that they are also moving into Korea or what?
no, they say the last month they have been partnership with the
Uh,
um partnership with the Korean K-pop, and now they join Japan. They moving up
uh,
in Japanese. Then Rushing Game, a Japanese esports team, to develop the browser exclusive for users in Japan. Yeah, and they use that means they will develop the Japanese version for Japanese. In the
for the
case of
Rush
the
people.
Russian game, yeah,
Yeah.
Rush Gaming use a limited edition browser can earn the BAP by the watching ads. The BAP can be used to support the gaming esport team. Yeah, it's very nice news. And the last part of the when the big flyer said that Blaze is the BAT connected browser and browsing is an everyday activity. It will be a
What
new opportunity for users to use and earn cryptocurrency, and we see it as a new model case to show the potential of a cryptocurrency. We want to make people feel more familiar with the cryptocurrency through the partnership with the press. Hello, the new audience coming to join our live stream today.
I read
Uh,
I read something earlier talking about where is this like of talking about blockchain and cars. So this
yeah.
is the little things that I noticed that they mention. If you Google this, they'll drive themselves to charging station with all this blockchain technology behind these self-driving cars and all. So this is how car companies are using blockchain to their advantage. Right now, this is actually taken from BMW website. So I was just googling about self-driving car and blockchain, and then was
Oh,
thinking stuff like that.
so let
I think
me
this is pretty
Google.
interesting. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. So considering the fact that blockchain has even come into your cars, your transport, your machine, and things like that. So I think we are we can be hopeful that blockchain can be utilized more into other technologies and not just only cars, not just only gaming. I believe there are
Yeah,
so much more other things that blockchain can be used for. Yeah, so that's the amazing thing about technology. In the past, we are talking. We if you talk about in the past where during the industrial revolution, where governments, industries adopt machineries, adopt a lot of automation, automation technologies. They are cleaning the floor out there. Automation. So that was one long period of time where we see a lot of growth in the economy, where every single sector that's coming together and start to adopt machinery, adopt this latest technology back in those times. So they are able to bring their efficiency to a higher level. So right now, the what's that called? The industrial revolution. I don't know number what. Now people are talking about the fourth or fifth. I don't know. So this time around, the information age has passed. The whatever age has passed. Now we are talking about I don't know what age you want to call that. Yeah. So now there is so much more that's installed for you and I, that's installed for the current latest new generation of workforce. So workforce in the future will be powered by all this automated, all this AI technology, all this blockchain technology. Welcome him back again. Hello, Richard. Yes. So that is why
yeah, yeah,
when I look at these self-driving cars, how the automotive, I don't know, all
yeah,
the cars industry, how they are already moving so far forward, not just in having a big battery to power your car for like 600 miles. Not just that, now they are talking about you not having to sit on a driver's seat. Or you can sit there, but you don't have to hold the wheel. The car will drive itself to where you want it to be. So what about in the near future? I don't know how long. Then you start to see, like we mentioned in the last video, this movie 20 years ago, 20 plus years ago, called what's his name? Fifth Element, where the cars are flying here, flying there, everywhere. So that can be possible, can be happening. Consider the fact that now we have drones. Maybe
Yeah.
perhaps we can start with drone first. For drones, this is where you should fly, where you should fly, and this is how you deliver the goods, up, down, left, right. Yeah. So those things are possible. These things are possible, depending on how and what kind of regulations government will come up with to uh, allow the economy to be safeguarded by a certain set of parameters where things don't go out of hand. Imagine you have a drone and you're just going to fly in a airspace near the airport. Then you are going to cause a lot of accidents. So there are a lot of regulations that cover certain parameters where these drones shouldn't be flying. So I think by the time governments would already have come up with certain protocols, certain regulations for that, and by then we could be possibly seeing a lot of things flying everywhere. Yeah, it's like, hey, Richard, come to my place now. So you
Yeah.
zoom,
As I go to Google and
yeah,
search,
so you fly yourself
yeah,
to my place, Richard.
yeah, because you have said to me about the
Yeah.
blockchain technology with the self-driving car, and I try to Google to search some of the article, and some of the article is quite last year's is coming from last year is it's just the idea is not is still not applied into the some of the car company. Uh, uh, in some of the vision of the the CEO of the car making company like Elon Musk and some the other people they are thinking to make how thinking how to make the self-driving road for their
Mm.
electric car, and it costs a lot of fund, a lot of money to build up the road like that. Currently now in America, they can try to use the autopilot on their Tesla car. Yeah, that's one of the latest technology to use the automatic driving car. Yeah. Um, have if you go to YouTube and try to search some automatic car self-driving, yeah, it's really interested in because they will try to keep your cars have the safe distance with the others while
The
driving.
safe
Yeah,
distancing.
yeah. Safe distance, yeah. The safe distance all is also using the same term during the pandemic. We need to have the safe
Yeah,
distance between each other.
safe
Yeah,
distancing for the
yeah,
cars.
yeah. The safe distance for the car.
I think
Well,
maybe it's the because of that we human being take that from the car one
yeah,
and start to safe distancing. Yeah,
yeah,
so interesting.
yeah. Okay, so let me move on
A
to
little bit of
our
information about adding on to just now what I talk about in terms of drone
yeah,
technology. There's one article. I'm just going to read one liner from the global market for implementation of drone technology for business services stands
yeah,
at $127 billion. Well, that's a lot of money, and I think
yeah,
to some of the big companies, this is no big deal, But it's
yeah.
127 billion.
Okay,
So all America need to do is just print more money for you to use.
one can see is now the Bitcoin price jumping from 9,000 plus to 9,400 the last 2 days. The chart is 9,400. You can see from the screen. It's It's a little bit falling down from this
9380, 9380.
yeah, this morning, June 11. Oh, last month is 9,800, and now it's 9
Yeah.
July. Yeah,
So I believe I think I was right when I said earlier last month that it's just going to hang between 9,000 and 10,000 for time
yeah,
being, because there are so many adjustments in terms of how the economy is going to come out of this COVID pandemic. Yeah, so of course during what is happening in the last few months, a lot of businesses are facing a lot of problems. So
yeah,
so in terms of those kind of confidence that users have, investors that the confidence of the investors, they are just going to lock in at a kind of like a safe mode kind of thing. Yeah, their confidence is also under lockdown. Yeah,
yeah.
I believe
But
that's the reason why the price is not breaking through or even falling below. Probably, yeah,
yeah, when I try to draw the chart, is the this means the resistance is around 9,600. This means that
yeah,
if it break this resistance 9,600, the price will go further. If not, it will bouncing down to 9,200. Yeah, it's and I hope it's some of the people from us, they can catch the price and earn some profits. Yeah,
yeah.
um,
You have to be
yeah.
quick enough.
I
Yeah,
just hope that yeah, it's depend. But I also don't know how to play machine, and I just know how to buy for holding. Yeah, in the short term for a week or for a month. Yeah, so some of people they can buy and they hold until it's hit some resistance or it's drop into the stop loss. They can quickly sell off or quickly buy in so they can earn some little bit. I remember last a few months, one day can earn a few $100. Yeah,
yeah.
but after that we lost a few thousand. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
remember the time when was it? Let me go and take a look. Overnight it dropped. It fell 1,000 or 2,000, something like that.
yeah, that's right. Last on
Overnight
the
thing.
max, yeah, on the
So
max it fell from 7,000 to 3,000. Yeah,
which month?
on
Which month?
match when the
March.
WHO they
Okay,
declare about the pandemic, the
7,000
price
to
just
4,000, 4,000,
yeah,
three
yeah.
thousand
Yeah, 3008 from 7004 to 3008. Yeah, it's really yeah, it's
in
all
one
the
day,
mark
in one night,
one night.
in
Yeah,
one night.
yeah.
Wow.
That's a fell out of the crypto market and traditional market too. Traditional market like the Nasdaq index and all the index is uh dropping down. Boys dropping down a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very soon. Yeah, and certainly we are planning and hoping to do more of this live conversation, live session with you guys. If there's anything that specifically that you want us to talk about, you want us to cover, you let us know. Then we can go and look at all those interesting things that you have suggested, and then we have a good discussion over that, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you and bye bye
Wait,
everyone.
wait,
Yeah.
let me show this. I must
Oh,
use it.
okay. You can show the cutting board to let the people to know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you again.
Yeah.